Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the chip and PIN terminal and confirming it has a network connection. Once done, log in with your merchant credentials and choose the sale or purchase function. Next, enter the exact amount including cents so the terminal queues the transaction. Make sure the amount matches the customer's expectation. You avoid chargebacks later. Then prompt the customer to insert their chip card into the reader slot and keep it there until you ask them to remove it. Once the card is inserted, ask the customer to enter their PIN using the secure keypad and press OK. While they do that, the terminal encrypts the PIN and sends an authorization request to the acquirer. Make sure to wait for the approval or decline message rather than removing the card early. If prompts appear for tip or receipt choice, select according to the customer's instruction. If the terminal shows partial approval, follow on-screen steps to collect the remaining amount. After authorization, the screen will prompt you to remove the chip card. Only then should the customer take it out. The terminal will print a merchant and customer receipt, give the customer their copy and keep yours, adding a signature if required. Close the sale in your POS and make sure the batch will settle if applicable. If a transaction is declined or the chip won't read, retry inserting the card, check the network link, or use the fallback magnetic stripe procedure per your processing rules and contact support if failures persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.